p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Masonville or near Manchester, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manchester and Dundee around 7 p.m.
You under the gun.
Delaware and Oneida around 6:05 p.m. And with
What now? Let's do more. They're done. My fatal flaw, and the reason I didn't get the same headers or the attention tone of the 1050 hertz, my fatal flaw was it did not have batteries. So when I unplugged the radio from there, it shut off. And I was like, oh crap. And I had to remove the batteries from my Recom over here, which I have now moved to the table. If you're wondering, the 120 is now right here. See? WR120. And of course, the 400's right there. And you saw the ER50. And of course, the HH. So yeah. I took the batteries out of this, put them in there, sprinted, put it on 600. Everything's good. Now, this is just rude.
And there's some irony and hypocrisy. So now we're facing this catastrophic crisis that everybody can see is coming.
Jefferson, Keokuk, Washington.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Henry County, southeastern Keokuk County, southern Washington County, Jefferson County until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maharishi Vedic City or near Fairfield, moving northeast at 30 miles. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Cobbett, Wheeling, Washington, Crawfordsville, and Ainsworth. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Seriously, DDN? Just as I was about to leave? On the lowest floor of a building. Tornado warning! How about that crap?
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Lafayette County, northwestern Greene County, southeastern Iowa County, southwestern Dane County until 10 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Darlington, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
How about this?
Locations impacted include Darlington, Argyle, Blanchardville, Baldwin, Fayette, Lemont, Hollandale, Yellowstone Lake State Park, and Calamine. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin, Greene, and Lafayette.
Okay, shut up.